Yeah, okay, Jamie.
Yes.
How was last night? Just tell us a story. You got lost?
I got lost and I was gonna cry.
No,
I didn't know where I lived. Where any of us lived.
No, but you took a, you know what? You went to the banyo and then...
I don't even know why I left. I was just all of a sudden I was sitting there, and then next minute I was lost and crying, and then I was in bed, and that was the end of my night.
And what were you asking?
Where's Terrence's hotel? He was like asking all these questions. What does it look like? What's it called? I don't know. Just tell me where it is.
And how about you?
Terrence.
Wait, picture.
Oh wait. Jaime?
What are we looking at? That one or this one?
No, that one. This is video. Okay. Okay, Nisa?
No.
According to the waiter,
Apparently.
yeah, he saw Nisa humping the pole and kissing it.
Yeah, good times. I think, I scored there, I got off really good, because I don't really remember.
Sorry, every time the waiter...
So every time the waiter sees me, he has a smile like, yeah.
Get it over the phone. And Miss Puki, oh, I'm sorry, Bianca.
Wow.
Right there. She was there last night, over there.
Over there.
And then one more, and then one more.
Over there. And then...
One more. She was all over the place. Congratulations, Puerto.
My territory.
Yep. You're all over the place. And how about this guy?
Anton.
How's your first Puerto, pare?
Really fun.
Yeah?
Really fun.
And tell about the girls. Tell about the come on, man. Come on.
All I know is my wingman left me. And I ended up in a room with five strange girls.
Tell us about the girls or the gays. We still don't know yet, man.
They were hot, man.
Alright. You can't even remember shit.
No, I can't. I just can't remember who they are. But if I see them, I'll know.
It's one of them, man. Right, April? Okay, so successful from 1-1 to Puerto Galera.
Now question is, do we have enough money to go back?
It doesn't matter. Oh, there you go. See?
Yeah. It's
How
French
much
crackers. 7 cents.
50?
What? That's 10 pesos lang, Manong.
Oh.
See, di ba?
Oh, I bought last
Oh,
night.
look at the video, Manong.
Sige na.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers. Well, we're the only 3 drinking. How about you, Anton?
Just
Daydreaming again.
Yeah.